Game 1, 2, 3, go.
Ano gagawin?
Ha? Game 1,
Natural lang daw eh.
2,
Ay, game na ba?
How do you define a better person?
It's someone who thinks for this.
For me, it's someone who is willing to accept rejection of feelings.
Para sa akin, a better person is someone who does the right thing, even if it's not the best for him.
How do you become a better person?
For me, you're already a better person when you thought of being a better. Or when you wish to become better. That already makes you a bit better than the person you were 2 seconds ago. Because you wish for change. Good change.
How do you become a better person?
Becoming a better person means change and acceptance. Because to become a better person, you need to first accept yourself. Accepting yourself regardless of your mistakes and flaws, because mistakes helps us learn. It helps us become a better version of ourselves.
Maybe po nung time na na-realize ko hindi sa lahat ng bagay ay ako lang yung magbibigay, makikinig at magmamahal. I've learned that before giving your love and affection to someone, first you need to give it to yourself.
What are the experiences that help you to become a better person?
For me, nung time na nakilala ko siya, yung tao will motivate me to be better. Yung tao sasamahan ako to become better.
Siguro ako notice kung iba na yung tingin sa akin ng ibang tao. Seeing other people talk about me without knowing the context. Then tinanong ko na lang sarili ko if kaya ko bang magbago. And now I'm trying my best to show them that I'm capable of change, that I can be better.
Compare dati?
Siguro malapit na.
Do you think you're a better person?
Sa palagay ko, hindi pa.
Then what's your definition of better?
I'm still in that process of being better. I wish I had listened to her before. Then maybe I'd been better. The person she deserves. Wait lang, tingin ka natin take this. Hello? This is Kai speaking. I'll think about it. But most likely I'll pass on the opportunity because of personal matter. So, thank you. Harvard yun. Tumawag lang about my exam result. Nakapasa ako.
Nakapasa ka?
Oo, pero hindi ko kinuha.
Bakit?
Kasi inisip kita. Paano ka?
I wish he made choices for himself.
Bakit ba napaka-selfless mo, Sky?
Di ba nakikita si you deserve someone better and that someone isn't really you want the best for you.
Better? Sky, you don't need to be better. Kasi mahal kita.
Looking back, I realized she was right. In a sense that I was giving so much love that I forgot to leave some for myself.
Thank you.
Why?
Thank you for loving me to the point na willing ka na pakawalan ako. Thank you for making me realize that I should love myself as much as I love someone else.
I saw his changes and I was happy for him.
Ay, ako ha? Kalitan ko kayo. Sabi mo nga hindi.
Sakit ha? Di ba nilagay sa joke yun? Like, my God! Basta sa joke, akala mo sino mga marunong naman.
Ano nangyari dyan?
Wala. Kinagat lang lang sa mo? Hindi, thank you. Pia, palabasin mo yung tatay mo, wala kasi init eh.
Siyempre, na-offend ako para sa tatay ko, Carlo. Wala nang group yung tao. Oh, ba't ang tagal na?
Wala, ang tagal ni ate. Mai talaga ako.
Ayun.
Ay, wait lang, may tawagan ako. Dala kayo ah. Tingin ko, may LDF ako.
Oo nga, last time na nag-update ko na rin pa yung floor, nakatabi ko sa
To be honest, mukha siyang nawawalang bata doon, kaya hindi ko maseryoso.
Grabe nakaka-offend sila ha. Kala mo hindi ko sila mga kaibigan. So what kung mas matangkad si Tate sa akin? Ano? Ang offensive nyo kanina ha. Parang hindi nyo naman ako kaibigan.
Alam mo, may kilala din akong offensive. Ito.
At least find a better picture, di ba? Tungkol sa pagiging better people to, pero better picture wala. Guys, offensive ba ako?
Oo. Diba?
Guys, so, kasi, gano'n na pala yung hindi naman ganun gusto ko ipa. Sorry kung na-take pa. Okay.
Alam ko natin nangyari din.
Sa totoo lang, tingin ko nilabas niya na lahat ng sama na to. Wala niya yata hindi naman nakahalap ang nag-LDF.
Kasi nagbago ka. I know, it's for the better naman din kasi. Oo nga, masabi ka na insensitive mag-joke. Oo. Sige, go. Sagutin mo muna. Sagutin mo muna. Ba't ka na iyak?
Tumawag mo ba ito?
Grabe tayo. Di man lang nag-thank you. Nahika ako pero tinakbo ko wala kami toilet hanggang 7-Eleven para sa kanya. You never think.
Broke up with me. Kasi na-realize ko habang mag-catwas. Sana napahalaga lang siya. Pakinggan ko. At maybe magkaibigan kami.
Napatawad ko na siya. I'm thankful dahil he made me realize that I have a lot of pent-up emotions na hindi ko lang dapat sinusolve. He made me realize how I should be treated and valued. Na dapat natatanggap ko rin yung pagpapahalaga na binibigay ko.
I accepted that a lot of people don't like me, and that's okay because my case is for them. It's for me.
I started dating red flags when they were problem.
I found myself being understanding and open-minded.
I think it's me letting go of my anger and negative emotions.
When I started putting myself in other people's shoes.
When I began to express my emotions,
When I started to put myself first.
I'm still at the process of accepting.